Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
Hello, Nigeria government. Na what for you? Nigeria government, na what for you? Na you go be criminal. So now we gonna say na cash in the Kanu abi? Say for what? Mo see am. You go see say tomorrow now newspaper go carry am. Newspaper go carry am say dem arrest Nnamdi Kanu. All social media go carry am. Dey look now, more dey see wetin dey sup. Everybody now go dey shout Nnamdi Kanu, anything. Maybe you no even do am, you don't even trust Nigeria government because we know say na be devil. Na Hausa people be you. Now go just find one way to arrest that guy. We know already. You understand? Okay, accepted now. Say they don't arrest am abi. You go see am for all new people. Help me ask them. Since when bandits, where X-Men they kill people, will you see? Did you see anything, message, anything, information on social media and government social media? Now they talk and all those Tribune, newspaper, others. Did you see any bandit issue there? They will block that one now. They will block that one. Still no say no. We no more supposed to. They're no more supposed to bring that one come out. They go keep that one secret. Since when they know they arrest NS men, how many people wey be say police carry come outside like this, put am for show am with handcuff? More dey reason am now. Dem go come all newspaper now go carry Nnamdi Kanu tomorrow. More see am now. Dem go carry am come outside. Dem go dey put am picture. Olori buruku government oloshi. Hausa people. Dem go carry am now say you do something. Dem arrest am. Dem target omolomo. Then how many Fulani wey dem don show, wey don kidnap people, wey dem don show. Wá ṣe lè jàre ọmọ ìyá mi John Adegoke Ṣẹ̀yẹ Oya wa gba yìí. You understand? Nigeria government don't believe them oh. Anything wey dem say freedom fighter do, they arrest am na lie. And if it not true or lie, now help me ask them, shey dem dictate bandits? Dem dictate Fulani? No be Nigeria government dey carry weapon for Fulani to be killing citizens. Dem no talk that one. Dem no carry that one come outside. Now all social media, all the foolish newspaper now don dey carry Nnamdi Kanu say you do something oh. But if you try am show one bandit abi anything do dem cow, dem go arrest you join too. Foolish Nigeria expiring country, foolish government, idiot people. Let me see now, let me come see who wan judge and who wan pass the way to put that guy in jail. Be like say they don't even do am sef. Nnamdi Kanu, he do something like this oh. They never ever say one. They never ever say one about Fulani since when Fulani dey kill people. Abeg, I no come direct life oh. I just tell Nigeria government to brother Foka Oguma Panya Yima Bajeni Olobuku government òṣìwò. Ẹ bá mi share olóṣì ní government kọ́ Nigeria ìyá ni. Nigeria is a fake country. Nigeria is a lie country. Okay, Nigeria wey we see the COVID-19 wey they give people na magnet. You never see. Go to my status. My number dey there. 08069 70 6101. You go sabi wetin I dey talk. Abeg, citizen people more na reason well o. More na stay smart o. Because as you see those government up and down, na dem dey find who dem go rope. Who dem go carry gun for your house. Come by themselves say dem detect gun for your house. Abeg, more na dey be careful. Aye ada mommy, I don't think it's real. Yes, for me, it's not real. Because Nigeria government, anywhere they dictate freedom fighter, they can't arrest am organ again. Police is not our people. They be politician. Forget the matter. They can't see am truth. Okay, mo can't accept say they see am truth. You go know say they go carry am come outside tomorrow now. All over newspaper go carry am. Nigeria government, they sabi do that one. If you wan get progress, they go find problem to your life. but if you dey smart you go escape. If you can't escape, dem go come dey find you up and down. The best car wey you dey use, dem go wan arrest that the best car, dem go wan calm down. Nigeria government, they are a fool, they are Fulani people. Abeg, anything happen to Yoruba and Igbo, believe it's a lie, it's a scam. All those government, let's see tomorrow Tribune, you go see wetin I dey talk. Dem go carry am come outside, dem go bring that guy picture with handcuff. They never carry X-Men one with handcuff come outside tell all of us wetin they do. Who dey carry gun go give Fulani people? No be the police. The camera dey here wey helicopter land for bush, wetin e go do there? All those foolish criminal 419 people. Nigeria is a 419 country.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe hete.
Face TV was Swoby.